Welcome to Ed Talk. On this episode, we caught up with District Superintendent Michael Culmer, who gave us an update on the Eleuthera School District since the start of the new school year.
In the Eleuthera District, we would have began the year with some challenges, and we would have weathered those storms, understanding the importance of communication, understanding the importance of collaboration and teamwork, but most importantly, realizing that the most important thing remains the most important thing, our students and their opportunities for attainment and achievement.
DS Culmer discussed the transition back to full face-to-face classes.
Our students returning to the classroom has been a mixed bag of both blessings and challenges. The enthusiasm of our students to be together, to once again experience the full face-to-face instruction, where they have the benefits of their teachers in the classroom, the immediate response to their challenges and questions. That has been a dynamic thing that the students have loved. But also the isolation of our students, and many of those who would not have been in that social interaction in the classrooms, and many of them not having the opportunities to have access to the network or access to devices. We've had to work now to ensure that we get those kids caught up. And so we've had that mixed bag. Our teams on the ground, our teachers and administrators, they are all committed to ensuring that we boast of Eleuthera being a district of first choice.
For Ed Talk, I'm Lisa Baraka.